Have you ever had your receiver in one room, the transmitter in another, but your HDMI cable just isn't long enough to connect them? With this HDMI extender, you can replace that long, expensive HDMI cable with a single standard Ethernet cable. It extends your signal up to 60 meters without any loss in quality or resolution. You'll enjoy full HD 1080p video, crystal clear images, and perfectly synced audio with zero delay. It's true plug and play. Just connect the transmitter to your source, the receiver to your display, and run one Ethernet cable between them. It also supports POC, single-sided power supply, so only one unit needs to be plugged into a power outlet. It works with TVs, projectors, gaming consoles, monitors, and more, all HDMI devices. Made of high-quality metal, it offers better heat dissipation, durability, and shielding against signal interference. Get it now on Amazon.